It's called consolation sex, my dear.
That's how they call it.
So to Sirike, but we're supposed to tell somebody. Who should we tell?
Yeah, tell God. She's calling about God name.
Talk to your partner.
Your partner is the one actually you're supposed to talk to.
Let me tell you, this world, the way it's evolving, it's not just these streets. Everywhere is these streets. Jemukabira jemuyombera mukwano bajja bataasa enkya mwesonyiwe badde nabagambe kati baali bagatwera naye nga be bantu bebamabaga. Let me tell you, humanity is selfish.
Let me ask the letter that's been got about this guy. Wasn't the guy a lady who was trying to like have a Akola cleanup? They've been dating for some time. For like, is it 2 or 3 years? I'm gonna say this guy has been like the lady has some how do you call this? These drugs. There's HIV. ARVZ. Now we are shocked. Tamugamba ngako anything by the way. So now katingali mtele magagamba what should I do? Mzimulage kubanga yatolako nakubana chifana nakama mzimulage, should I just get out and keep quiet? Should I talk to him? Should I first go? Yes. Should I go and check, like first do a checkup? And like even before you answer that, all over like this scenario, like if you know your status, we talked about being open. Is it okay, like on the first date, or when you try to know someone, is it okay to open up? No, your status. Not immediately. Okay, what's the best way to come out?
When you get to the times when you guys are actually going to start making out, maybe there.
Omanye byenaku zino munede tukyetegereza tutandikirawo mu byenda
obijjukira nagamba yenkana yange kubeera mu motoka bannanga tekati nabadde
naye ate kino kyabena waliwo n'obulagala tebagaa tebutoyita ku poliisi bupeepu n'okamira oluba lubuto.
No, but I think anyway, every relationship is different. You can't really judge for everybody. You should also look at how has the chick been in the relationship. You know, how is your relationship standing? That also matters. Yeah. How is your relationship standing? Look through so-called analysis. Say if he wants a sort of check-up, clean. If he wants, there are two options. Either agenda akole because oli ajagamba engeri gye yakinneekweka nange kangende check up zange but the problem with that is matters going to the worst case wasanga ngali positive that is how you find murder cases anyway. It's not how. It's a two-way thing. So mkwano tosobola manya. Ayinza okukola ensobi ng'ategedde nti ali positive. But then when you're negative, maybe ajja kukanaja yogere, but you know you can never tell that. So me, I think the best thing is opening up. In a relationship, the best thing is
omanyi kyokula anti obadde olongoosa obusanze mu kabada akomawo obusaale ku mmeeza
that's the best way to initiate that conversation.
Then agenda okusula mu sitting room bannange, how was your day? Nga walani how was your day nti basookera mu sitting room basooka ne bajja mu nomala nogenda nga nkuleetereyo ki amaanyi oba ogajjawa
Bina mkwano, my friend recently yasanga guy we mu 5-star hotel ngali with one of our artists here. Hey! Nabagamba, oh sorry I bumped into you. I thought that arrangement was nice.
Wanji
nafuluma nagivuga natusanga nakuba omulamu
yakabireri so
yatogobera muli wanfa
with a smile.
Wait, stop crying.
Bagambe sorry.
Sorry. Babe, I thought this arrangement was ours. I'm sorry.
The guy didn't bother calling or following her.
Anti nga naffe bali okubira otandika otyokwata essimu mbwali wa
guy yamana kuba amasimu.
oli kasatuko essimu n'agijjako omwana n'agijjako nabaga mukwata essimu eno ngenda kukola emisomo nakuba omulango asiita n'atuulako mutaka n'akola buli kimu
naye munange awo obeera naye manyi yabaleka si bulungi sikiwa nti olunaku baasulayo musulamu etunuulira
naye nga musulayo
temusobola nasulayo
mude befudde
obeera ogamba
obeera weekaza n'okwekaza
mude
naye ate okusirika kulungi.
People have different ways of reacting. Sure. But the problem is like me, omuntu wanyizanga ekintu kinene, I don't react immediately. It first sinks in. But now the problem comes around watching Koze for a number of times. The day it actually comes out, chains of violence. Yeah. Simanyi nnyo bintu byakudawo ate tuwewe ate kwewokoza I'm not ebyo mbikola wano nga tuba tusanga tuwewa. But if it is real and it hits me, you won't hear me. The problem is abantu webache, the problem is nti ate waviirayo osobola n'okola kantu kati because parking biri ebirala byonna so everybody will be like actually even the late Mose radio had that olumu nga omuntu amunyiza radio alikwata ku bulungi
nga sinise.
That's why people saw him as, you know, a very violent person. Naye nga mbeera mu bbaala oli oba n'akoona glass buli omu ajja agamba kati ka glaasi naye mwa bulijjo ababeerawo mumanyi ensonga zino gye zivudde. Yes, so he was like that. Ngoba aliwo kye wakoledda nga labe ddala kyakisi
nakutereka
and then you do something connected to it again nagamba naye next thing you know mumanyi aba akutte ekintu akikuyiiridde oba akoze eki so that was so that's why some people abantu abamu bajja kuvayo bagamba gundi ali short tempered gundi ali violent gundi ali those kinds of then waliwo oli nga yakuweerawo ebisigadde ne mubirabo.
So in such a scenario, what do you do exactly? Like you leave, like if you find out, I know
if you find them, just bring them, take out komeza mulinda akomayo, gambe kulikayo ebintu bibi.
Atagamba naye kakazi gwe lwaki omanyira? Lwaki omakula mu bintu byange?
Awo ng'okwata obwongo. Because if that is how you've decided to react after keeping this from me, I mean, I've given you my whole self this whole time, and you managed to keep something like this from me. I know there are people who are living with HIV at the point where but still, tell me.
Yeah, true. Tell me.
I am the one to make that decision. You're making decisions for me to be in this relationship, yet you have not talked about it.
Ate munaye when you tell your partner, oluusi akujukiza n'okujjukiza.
Okumira biki,
so
it's okay. We shall work this.
We shall work on it. That is why Antambagamba love is blind and all, but me I believe it is how much love you guys have and how much you're willing to sacrifice for each other.
Love is sacrifice.
Love is sacrifice. Love is defenseless. So you know kutuuka ekiseera binajja waneeno avuma omuntu ojja kujja bagambe ate nolwatira bavuma mwadde wali mu motoka omugambe naye but that is a way. That is a relationship. You know, I have a few of such friends. Nga yajja kusanga ng'oyomba n'omuntu bajje bamuvume n'ebyo badde oyomba bibule nga gwe abantu tebakyakuwulira bamuwe mumale muddeyo wamakalo yabadde akoze eki owedde omukazi muvuma waki babeerako ku social media bavube kati even that scenario gye tubadde twogerako waliwo abaana bennalaba bavuma omwana naye bavuma omwana after like a week ne bandaba namugamba naye gunino naye wawala bulabula nze nno ne video sinnagira naye baŋŋambye yakuvuma kati bulijjo oyomberaki nze nasoma comments mwe nalondera